Rahim, dear student, welcome to USPA Students Guide YouTube channel. Now we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 2, and relate to the programming. Dear student, I would like to explain about the programming, and will start my introduction about the programming. What is programming? What are the programs? What are the syntax? What are syntax? What are high level language? What are low level language? And what are the characteristics of high level language, and how many popular languages, programming languages are there, and what is the difference between compiler and interpreter, what are the concept of the programming language, what is IDE, that is integrated development environment. Dear student, this is our basic lecture about the programming in C. This unit provides the basic knowledge about low level and high level languages so that the student can understand their purpose and the characteristics in the programming language. It describes the main feature of the popular high level languages, and this chapter teaches the student which programming language is suitable for developing the particular type of programming. Now, dear student, there are two types of languages. Number one is high level language and number two is low level language. Low level language is also known as machine language, and as this is known as by only computer language, and this is in 0-1 form. 0 means off, 1 means on, 0 means low, 1 means high, 0 means false, 1 means true. It means computer knows only the language that is machine language or low level language. Next is second, high level language. This is user friendly and totally relate to the English language. And the next, the interpreter compiler we use, that is work as interpreter between high level language and low level language. As we know that computer knows only machine language and we work on high level language. We use a compiler or interpreter that works between these two languages, convert the high level language into the computer language, machine language, and also convert the machine language respond into the high level language, that is work is as interpreter or compiler. Introduction to programming. Computer programming is the process of writing a program in computer language to solve the particular problem. Computer program control the operation of a computer, and it is developed in the computer language to perform a task. Set of instructions, also known as a computer program, or in other words, we can say that the set of instructions that are used to perform a specific task is known as computer program. Therefore, it is essential, dear student, to learn the computer languages to solve the various problems. Computer languages are known as programming languages, and each language has their own method of solution, and each language has its own rules. By following that rules, we can use these languages. Topic 2.1.1 Computer program. Computer program is a set of instructions, statements written in a programming language to solve a particular problem and achieving the specific results. Dear student, if we want to solve any problem, then we will use some computer language or program and the set of instructions that will help us to solve the specific task. Any task performed by a computer is controlled by a set of instructions that is executed by the microprocessor. A large variety of programming languages have been developed for writing the computer program. to use the computer as a problem solving. Each statement of programming language has a syntax and semantic. Dear student, there are two basic things. Number one is syntax and number two is semantic. Syntax refer to the rules of a programming language according to which the statement of program are to be written. In other words, we can say that the rules by following them we can solve any problem or we can make any program by following that rules. It describes the way to write correct statement in the program. Syntax of the programming language is similar to the programmer of a natural language, and its syntax relate to the high level language, and natural language means English language. For example, assignment statement consists of a variable and expression separated by the equal sign as an assignment operator. This is the syntax of assignment statement and it can be expressed as given below. Variable is equal to expression means whenever we are going to assign some statement, then we will use assignment operator that is equal to, dear student, the operators that will use in the C language, C programming language, or in high level language we will discuss in later in next chapter. Semantic gives the meaning of the statement of programming language. Dear student, the semantic totally relate to the syntax. Syntax is following that rules and the semantic is meanings of that programming language statement, that statement. For example, variable is equal to expression means that variable, what are the expression used in that variable. It describes the sequence of operations to be performed by the computer when executing the statement of the computer program. For example, sum is equals to a plus b. The semantic of the statement is to perform the expression that means we are adding two characters a and b, and we will assign a values a and value b, and then a and b, and then store the result in the variable sum, and it means the what is meaning of that process. This is known as semantic. Dear student, this is our basic lecture about the C programming language or about the high level language. As I earlier discussed about that the computer programming language are two types. Number one is high level language and number two is low level language. All kind of languages that are user friendly, student friendly, are written in the natural language, in the English language, are high level languages, and the computer knows low level language, that is machine language, and that is in the 01 form. For the metric class student, dear student, we will discuss here two kind of languages. Number one is C language and number two is HTML hypertext markup language, and we will perform the practical in our computer lab inshallah soon, and we will discuss about the detail of these languages. This is your basic lecture. You must search C language on the Google, and you can also the software of C language to perform your task at home, so that you can familiar with the high level language. And there is an assignment for you. Please write the difference between high level language and low level language and make some points by using the internet and Google it, and you can email these points at engsabae@gmail.com. Thank you very much.